Have you ever wondered what it takes to become an AI native engineer capable of harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize your work? I'm about to take you on a journey that will give you a unique glimpse into the inner workings of OpenAI, one of the most influential AI companies in the world. As part of OpenAI's first intern cohort, I had the privilege of working alongside some of the brightest minds in the field, learning from their experiences and insights. Throughout this journey, I discovered the essential skills and mindsets required to thrive in the rapidly evolving landscape of AI. Let's dive right in and explore what it takes to become an AI native engineer. One of the key takeaways from my experience at OpenAI is the importance of understanding the underlying principles of machine learning. As an AI native engineer, you need to comprehend how neural networks process data, how they learn from it, and how to optimize their performance. This requires a solid grasp of linear algebra